Hey guys, Kalila or Callie here, and today we're starting a new sweater. I'm not making a challenge, but I did do a sweater anatomy thing based on like a certain amount of days that I potentially want. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys. I won't tell TikTok and Instagram, but I'll tell you guys, okay? I kind of want to do this in 14 days. It's a test knit. It is the Kintra sweater by the Cray Bear, Rebecca. Here's a sweater. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm doing the fingering weight version. Whoa. Right? Crazy. It's on 3.5 and 3 millimeter needles. I'm excited though. So I have a 2-week game plan that I wrote out. And so the collar and a quarter of the yoke today. 1 day. So I'm not expecting to do a lot today. That's all that I'm looking to do. A quarter of the yoke. And by a quarter of the yoke, I mean like that. You know, just a little. So the collar and just a little bit, you know. The yoke, the rest of it, I want to do it in 4 days. I feel like that's possible. The body, 5 days. So almost a week of knitting on it. It's just going to be a single color after the yoke. So I think that's definitely doable. The sleeves, 4 days. So 2 days, one sleeve. Work on one sleeve for 2 days each. So 4 days total, which equals 14 days. So I think that's a great game plan, okay? And here's the yarn that I'll be using. Fingering weight. The test knit goes until February. The pattern comes out in February. Or it ends in February. I don't know. All I know is I'll be done way before then. So this is the main color that I'll be using. It's this beautiful, beautiful, y'all. Y'all, look at this. Oh, gosh. With the red hair, like, ugh. Okay, anyway. It is sock yarn from Teeny Button. Fingering weight, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. 463 yards, or 425 meters. And it's 100 grams. The colorway is called Winifred Sanderson. It was one of her Halloween colorways from last year? The year before? I forget. But this is the main color, right? And then the yoke is a color work yoke. And you can use up to 25 colors like an advent, or you can use however many colors you want to use. So I stole all of the mini skeins from my sock yarns. Sorry, sock yarns. You will just be solid colors. And this is the palette. I wanted it to be like a garden kind of theme. Let me show you the main colorway again. So this is the main color, and these are the contrast colors. I wanted these are like the dirt and the flowers in the field, and this is like the grass and the leaves, you know? So it's like, I feel like these colorways go really well together because the pinks, the oranges, the greens, the browns, like, it's very much so nature, you know? So I'm gonna wind up this yarn. I gotta, listen, it's all the content here. I gotta wind up all of this, but I'm gonna wind up the main skeins first. Usually, should I wind up all of the yarns? I don't think I'm gonna use all of them. We'll see. We'll see. I will see what Kayla did. If she wound up all of her main skeins, and I'll do the same. She did 2 skeins, so I'm just gonna wind up 2 skeins of this, and then I'm gonna wind up every other yarn. But I don't even know like what color I want to start off with, so it's gonna be the main color, right? I don't know if I should start off with a pink or an orange. Like, I want to start off with super bright colors, so I might start off with something like pink or orange. Maybe orange I'm leaning toward, so we'll see. I mean, these are, everything is so good. I'm loving it. But yeah, I need to weigh them as well. But it's fine. It's fine. We'll get to all of that, okay? So, 2 main colors of the skeins. And then, I think these are like 13 colors or something. Anyway. I need to go block this sweater. So, I'm going to go block my Korshavn sweater and then come back and wind up all this yarn. I finished winding up all these yarns. So we got the main color here. This is so freaking pretty. And then we have all, I thought there were 13 colors. There are 17. Okay, I'm not picking all of them up. No. But they are all here. And I am going to finish blocking my sweater. The timer went off for it, so I need to go and squeeze it out and all that. And then I need to edit the last 3 videos of my Korshavn sweater challenge, and then I'll be able to get into this sweater. So let's go. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet. It's 1 p.m. Oh my gosh. I printed out my chart, and now I'm just looking at the pattern to cast on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, let's see. Start here. Oh God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm always at the end. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, the amount of stitches I need to be cast on. Crazy. Because it's finger and weight yarn. So I'm so glad I have my nails back. Oh gosh, look at these. These are so freaking pretty. Like, I love a good French tip, and I love that it's like a light brown. It's almost like a mauve-y color. But yeah. Anyway, let's get started. I still need to edit my videos. I already started editing it while I was eating because I finally ate some food, and I worked on the sped up sections. So now I'm gonna cast on so I can knit on it while I'm working on editing these videos. But the video shouldn't take too long, which is great. Anyway, let's knit. I don't know why I thought today was the perfect day to start this project.
I think your book is here.
My book?
I don't know. Kayla said, is this the book?
Let's see where it's from. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm trying to look
too. It's Stone Knit's new book.
The timing is crazy.
Oh my God.
It's the book.
It's the book. Wait, yours came in too?
Yeah. Oh my
Look what's here. Look what's here. So Stone Knits reached out to us asking if we wanted her sock book. I have not knit the carrots in the dirt. I have not knit colorwork socks before. And I've been following Stone Knits and all of her pretty, colorful colorwork socks. And I'm just like, yes, your socks will be the first colorwork socks that I do. Now I'm just like, what should I do first? Oh my God. Oh my God, she's so cool. Hold on. Look, it's Charlotte. Oh my gosh, I need to make a TikTok on this immediately now. Okay, BRB. But I don't know why I thought starting this sweater today was a great idea. Forget, yeah, whatever. This day one is gonna be the shortest day one ever. What made me think that I could get to even a bit of the yoke today with how busy my day has been? I don't even know why I started this project today. I shouldn't have started this project today, but it's okay. All right. It's currently 11:52 p.m. I just finished editing the last video of the Korshavn challenge. And this is what I have. Okay. Bro, this colorway is amazing. Oh my goodness. This looks like the Northern Lights, okay? This is beautifully amazing. I love how it looks so different on this side, how more of the white is appearing. Imagine this as like snow-capped mountains, you know, and then this is the Northern Lights. Like, this is just so freaking beautiful. This is the skein of yarn it's coming from. I cannot wait to work this up in the body and the sleeves, since those are gonna be the main, this is the main color, so that will be what I'm using. I'm so glad I'm using variegated yarn, by the way, for this. Oh, yeah. Anyway, that's all that I have for day one. Day one was literally like, what? So the collar is supposed to be 8 centimeters long and then fold it. I'm at 5 centimeters right now, so I feel like I got a good bit of progress done on this. This is fingering weight yarn, by the way. Like, ultra thin. Ultra thin. Let's get a side view. Like, damn thin, okay? But I'm super excited to work on this project. And you know that sweater anatomy that I showed you? Yeah, ignore that. Ignore that timeline. What was I thinking? I wasn't. You know, I was going based on what I could do with the DK weight. This is not DK weight. Okay, I may need to add like another week on that. But we'll see. Anyway, I'm not feeling that great, as you can probably hear in my voice. So I'm gonna go to bed. I have some things to do tomorrow that will eat into my time with this, annoyingly so. But it's okay, because I can knit in the car, because I don't drive. So that's all that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.